Do you want to learn how to apply gradient text effect using Adobe Photoshop? Then follow me. Go to the toolbar menu and select Text Tool. Hold the left mouse button and drag out on the canvas and type in your text. Go to the toolbar menu and select Gradient Tool. Click on Layers. Add a new layer. Move the cursor to the new layer and hold the Alt key and left-click on the new layer. Click on Edit the Gradient. Now adjust the colors according to the type of gradient you want on your text. Select the starting color of the gradient and confirm with OK. Now select the ending color of the gradient and confirm with OK. Save changes with OK. Hold the left click and drag out in between the text. The gradient text effect is now applied. Thanks for watching. For more info, follow us on tresbys.com.